Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, August 27th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across banking and financials, energy and power, auto, telecom, FMCG, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in banking and financials. Kotak Mahindra Bank climbed plus 1.84% to 424.35 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Kotak Q1 FY27 presentation, 23% profit growth, asset quality improves by investing.com Australia. The near-term technical picture for Kotak Mahindra Bank looks constructive. Watch the 441.32 Indian rupees level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Moving to energy and power. NTPC dropped sharply minus 1.58% to 329.30 Indian rupees. The move follows reports that China emerges as oil market force as OPEC plus influence wanes, free Malaysia today. After today's weakness, the 319.42 Indian rupees area is the first meaningful support level to watch for NTPC. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Moving to auto. Tata Motors edged higher plus 0.86% to 315.80 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ open lower as tech stock slide, Nvidia earnings ahead. India passenger vehicle market share and EV penetration, particularly Nexon EV, is the domestic growth story. JLR's transition to full BEV by 2030 requires significant capital but positions the brand well. Any update on the next generation JLR platform timeline would be a catalyst. Moving to telecom, Bharti Airtel is trading lower by minus 0.86% at 1,885.80 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ open lower as tech stock slide, Nvidia earnings ahead. With Bharti Airtel moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The 1,932.94 Indian rupees level above and 1,838.65 Indian rupees below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Moving to FMCG. ITC dipped minus 0.74% to 268.25 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ open lower as tech stock slide, Nvidia earnings ahead. With ITC moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The 274.96 Indian rupees level above and 261.54 Indian rupees below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is weakening against the dollar, trading at 95.53, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe. It directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the sharpest takes in future videos. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.